Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get GUI in your Minecraft hack client. This is the second part of making a hack client. What you first of all want to do is you want to press enter here 2 times, and then you want to put in private boolean key state. So that's like private boolean key states. It's case sensitive, just type exactly what I type. And what this is it basically allows us to do, like, if you press a key, something is gonna happen, but we're not done yet. That will be way too easy. So what you need to do is, I want to say key states equals equals new boolean, type it from boolean 256, and that's it. So after that you want to do space, and then you want to type public boolean check key int y, and then do bracket. Just put this in, just type exactly what I'm typing right now, and you will get this little error here. But that's not the biggest problem we got right now. The point is that you need to import keyboard from. So just put your mouse over here and select keyboard here. And key states. I don't know what's happening. Hang on. Public boolean key states. Private boolean key states. Sorry guys, I just don't know what gives an error. Oh. Maybe if I just save it, key states I, Y, okay guys, I fixed it. The first one's gonna be lowercase k. Second one is here, is gonna be lowercase k as well, and this one as well. So you're just gonna type in this. I'll also put this in a description, because yeah, this is just, you don't really have to type this if you don't want to, but it'll be alright. So save that, and there we go. Now you got this entire massive thing here, and what we got so far is you can press this to run the game. So what we got so far is, if you go to single player, create new world, it's just normal. We haven't really done anything to it yet. As you can see, it's just being extremely normal. Nothing really happened. It's just normal Minecraft. Well, now we are gonna find this. So what you want to do is you want to type Control F, and you want to type show debug. That didn't really work. Oh yeah, here. It goes there. Show debug info. Mixed up layer. And then on the very end of it, where it says G11 blah blah blah, you want to type else, and then open this up, and you want to say var 8 dot roll string with shadow here. Do you want to do the name of your client? So I'm just gonna say test client version 0.1. That's what you want to type. So the name of your client, version, blah blah blah. Then you wanted to say 2, that's the coordinates. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, and here you want to type the color code, which I recommend is 0xFFFF. I think it was FF. No, it was this 0xFFFF. Just looking how it's gonna look like. So you want to say save, run, and that's gonna look like this. Actually looks pretty cool. here. It shows test client version 0.1 in the left corner. So that is looking quite nice. And if you want it to be completely white, you just do 2 more Fs, save, and this is running in debug mode. This means if you do this, it will run it the same way, but if you change something, it also directly changes it in game. So now it's white. Ouch, that did hurt. Okay, I think that is, I'm gonna keep it like that. And now you want to make hacks, of course, in your hack client, which we're gonna do. But first of all, you want a way to enable the hacks. Of course, so you're gonna go back to here, save and go to Sonic game, to variables, and you want to say public static boolean menu equals false, and save it. And now what you want to do is you want to say if check keywords dot key, and then I recommend key M. That's to open up the menu. You can be anything, can be H, L, B, can be anything. I would like to have the menu on M. They do this. If check key dot keyboard key M, they want to say variables dot menu equals variables dot menu. Just type that. This is basically a toggle. So if you press M, variables dot menu changes. It is like an easy toggle. So if it is true, it's gonna change it to false. If it is false, it's gonna change it to true. That's basically what it does. Now we're gonna say if variables dot menu equals true, or you can just do variables dot menu. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say for a dot draw string with shadow. So we're gonna say menu, because we're gonna show it up on the location X. We'll keep that 2 means that's 2 away from the left. So we're gonna do 20. And for here, I recommend you to have 14, not 14, but 26. Or no, just do 14 will be fine actually. Now we'll do 16. And now we want to say 0xFFFFFF. Okay, so we'll run debug mode again, which is here, debug mode. And that's gonna look like this. Still exactly the same, but if we press M, menu is gonna come up there. And if we press it again, it goes away. It's like a little toggle that we've just made. And now I always like to make everything look a bit nicer and stuff. But I'll do that later. I'm gonna show you how to do a better looking GUI than just white text. But so menu comes up. And that's it for so far. Now we're gonna do the hacks itself. I'm gonna do the first hack soon in the next tutorial. I guess that this is it for now. Or should I do more from the GUI? I think that's the best thing. So the next tutorial will be advanced GUI. I'm gonna call it like that, and in there I will explain you how to make an advanced GUI. That's like a GUI that looks a bit like my GUI, and it's gonna be pretty sick. I'm not kidding, it's gonna look awesome. So yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial, and be sure to subscribe.